Hello guys! This video is to let you know a Korean adjective to describe a person's personality, which is 흥부자. 흥부자. You can see an excited girl with a lot of joy here. My girl, she's definitely 흥부자. We might say like there is a 흥부자 girl in the video. So, 흥부자 is a very casual word that wouldn't be used in formal cases like news programs or speeches. And this word is usually spoken by younger people. It is a compound noun of 흥 plus 부자, which mean excitement and rich person respectively. So it describes a person who has a lot of excitement instead of money. Actually, it indicates the person who is easily excited with great joy. Well, let's say happy people. Those 흥부자s mostly enjoy music and love dancing. I am such a 흥부자, people say, and my husband is a 흥부자 too. So here is a super 흥부자 baby who dances every day in every music environment. Are you a 흥부자 too? Have a joyful day, everyone. Bye!